We built concept flooring for our customers to have one point of contact, your project manager. He's going to be with you from start to finish. You call concept flooring, you're not going to have to talk to 5 different people.
One of the benefits of having one project manager, one dedicated person, is going to be accountability.
When we walk into the home for the first time, we're there to listen. We want to hear your story. We want to make sure we put that right floor in your home that you're looking for.
During our first interaction, I'm looking at so many different things while all you're thinking about is the flooring. I'm looking at height differences, subfloor, the technical aspects of the job.
Yes, I am not their sales guy, I'm their flooring consultant, so I'm just there to help them. I just let them know that they don't have to make the decision right now. I'm not selling the job on the spot, give them time to actually go through and figure out the options they like, and I just want them to know that I'm there when they're ready.
Everything that you're going to do is going to be worth it in the end, because you're going to have beautiful floors that are going to make your home that much more enjoyable.
When a client of mine sees their floors for the first time and they love them, I truly get excited for them, and I take that personally.
They might have lived with their floors for 20 years and they come into brand new beautiful flooring, and just the look in their eyes just makes them so happy. And that all these years, that's one of the biggest things I love about this.